Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so oh, fuck's sakes. What is this? Nope. Alright. Don't do this unless you're real comfortable. Even then, you're gonna hear people say, don't do this. Somehow back in the fire. Yeah, I don't like this angle at all. Alright, you know what? There's not gonna be any showers today, so we're gonna go right back to the first one here. There we go. There shouldn't be any surprise showers today, so that's a good sign. There we go. Right here. There. So, like I just said, don't do this. Make sure you always wear gloves while you're doing forging. There. I might just move that guard. Just that a little bit up. Bit, nothing too crazy, just a little bit, you know? Yeah. But yeah. So the guard's getting pretty much done. All I gotta do is just straighten the blade. Then on my next pay, both these swords be ready for the quench. Well, no, then I gotta sharpen, then to be ready for the quench. Yeah. Then I gotta get this sword a little bit straighter than, because a messier is not a curved blade, it's a straight blade, because it's a knife. But, yeah. But, fuck. There. And just gotta flatten it straight again. Flatten the tang. Straighten the tang a little bit so it's comfortable to hold. Then I should be able to hold the sword better with the tongs. So yeah, as the steel gets hotter, so does the metal. So you gotta wear gloves. I'm not, because my hands are already fucked. Kinda. See? So I actually got calluses to do that. And some other blacksmith will probably say, oh, you know, you're a girl. No, you gotta protect your fucking hands, alright? Don't be burning your fucking hands. Motherfucker. There. Now let's just get the base of the sword straight. Hey. This, I actually cut from a piece of a leaf spring and just flattened the tip a little bit. That's all I really did. Actually, now that I think of it. breaks off a little bit, I gotta re-flatten the tip. There. Go. Sharp. I think I got the rest of this pretty well in the bit. Gotten this messer pretty good, actually. Awesome. Now I use my tongs. Yeah, and this is just starting to get a little bit hot for me. So now I can hold the tang and the guard if I have to with these tongs. So, yeah, there's a reason why I did it. Then we just put the thing we need to heat up. That's done. Yeah, the last two videos I was high and I didn't really take a good look at where my camera angle was. And so that's why the other videos were shit. But in that little emergency, what could you do, honestly? So now it's not as bad, and I am thinking of putting some tarp just over the edge so next time it rains like that I can keep the bench, you know, my sit bench closer to here. And yeah, there we go. So a small section of it is hot enough that I can just keep working on that. As the rest starts to get a little bit hotter, should work. Yeah. There. This section here is actually a bit you know what? I might keep the curve, honestly. Yeah, don't have my apron on, don't have nothing on. Because, frankly, it's just a 2-minute, or, oh wow, it's already been 15 minutes. Alright, guys. If you think this video is a lot better than the other two, give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday, guys. Peace out.